Syed.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Good.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department.
Yeah.
Today I want to take a feedback video from your side, Syed.
Okay, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you.
Yeah, can you just say about yourself and about your native?
Myself, Syed Nizam. I have worked as a civil site engineer for 4 years in the past after my graduation. And my native is Chintamani, Chikbalapur district.
Okay, Syed. Like how you got to know about CMTI?
From online, ma'am.
Online. Okay. Like what you have learned from CMTI?
I have a joint course of interior designing management and have got a knowledge about the interiors and hardware which is used in interiors, with the measurements, standard sizes, etc.
Okay, to which mode you have enrolled, Syed?
I've got site engineer.
Okay, like you have chosen with offline or online mode?
Gone with online.
Okay, online. Like how the site visits were done for you?
Yeah, site visits were provided with the institute only. I have went in the couple of site visits. It is a good experience.
Okay, how about your softwares?
Yeah, I have learned AutoCAD, SketchUp, MSP, and all.
Okay, like how the CMTI app helped you out?
Yeah, it is a very good app, which has for online purpose also it is very good with the paid promotions and all. We can gather knowledge, more knowledge in app also. Who can't reach the institute, they can sit at home and also learn it.
Okay, like you have chosen the online mode, like how the classes were conducted, how the trainers and coordinators supported you.
Yeah, first of all, the credit goes to the trainers and the management in the CMTI of my job. First of all, they are very good. They are good trainers here. Practically, they can all get the knowledge.
Okay, like can you say about your confidence level before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI?
Yeah, I have. First of all, I was in the civil field. I need to switch it to the interiors. The morale was low in the beginning. Then I got coming to the interiors. I got more knowledge. I have the basic interiors have been done. I gathered more knowledge here, and the confidence level is good. And faced the interviews and got the positive result for me.
Okay, I hope you are happy with your placements.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, can you share how the placements held?
Yeah, I gone to the placements. Several couple of was not in my area, required area. But the interviews gone very well. I got placed in the nearer to my where I stay. I got nearer to that.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Yeah, for friends engineers, it is a very good opportunity to gain a knowledge for interiors and construction also, for freshers as well as the experienced engineers who want to switch their jobs or do any softwares. It is good institute here.
Thank you for your feedback, Syed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations for your placements. Have a bright future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.